All right, let's look at the homework 1.5, problem number 6. All right, so let's evaluate this limit here. All right, so first thing you should do is plug in a number, see what happens. All right, so if you plug in 14 here, so you have a 14 plus 2, that's 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So you can see that the numerator approaches 0. Right, then denominator 14 minus 14, denominator also approaches 0. Right, so we have to do a little bit more work. All right, so the trick was we're gonna try to multiply top and bottom by square root of x plus 2 plus 4. Right, so the difference is this is a minus sign here, so you have a plus sign. And we're going to have to do the same thing to the denominator so that we don't change the quantity. Right, then this is going to be equal to, right, so we still have to evaluate the limit as x approaches 14. Right, the numerator, since you have a minus b times quantity a plus b form, so we have a squared minus b squared. A in this case is square root of x plus 2. If you square that, you're going to get x plus 2. Minus, right, b is 4, so 4 squared would be 16, so you have to subtract 16. Right, on the denominator, we can't really do much, so I'm going to just multiply. I'm just going to write down x minus 14 quantity times square root of x plus 2 plus 4. Right, then you can see that the numerator, if you simplify it, you can see that this is just going to be x minus 14. So we can actually cancel x minus 14 on the bottom and x minus 40 on top, which is going to be the whole top. So it's going to give you 1. All right. Then so we're going to have, then we can just plug in. All right. So on top you have 1 left over. All right. Then you plug in 14. So square root of 14 would be 14 plus 2. So square root of 16 would be 4, and you still have plus 4 there, so plus 4. So this is going to give us 1 over 8, right? So let's plug it in, right? So answer we got was 1 over 8, right? Submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.